Hello everyone, my name is Rex. I'm super excited to be the host for today. We are inviting our own alumni, Vincent, who graduated from Duke and started his entrepreneur project from a club on campus.
Just trying to really understand their habits, how they got into tea, and how they are enjoying tea in their daily life.
I learned a lot of things like how to find your own passion and how to find the mentor to support you and to gradually build up your own career.
Hello everyone, I'm Menek. I'm a sophomore at DKU and I joined this event because I was really curious about learning about the Watson Institute and the program that they have to offer. And it was really good to hear about their own ventures and their own journeys regarding starting their own clubs, and just to hear pieces of advice that they had to offer, and also meet other DKU students that were interested in the same field that I was interested in.
Hi, I'm Lallas from Watson Institute, and I'm so excited that I got to come back to DKU, especially in partnership with INE again. Actually, that's where my career started. Back in 2020, I still remember vividly how we started our very first base camp in China, working with DKU here, and how that impact is lasting. And I'm so excited that 4 years later, I came back with two of our amazing life fellows and seeing they're doing amazing work and sort of witnessing this whole ripple effect getting spread out. And it's super nice to get to chat with these young students on campus, and also having a tea ceremony is quite new to me, but also I feel it's just really nostalgic, and feel so blessed that I get to come back.
Hi, I'm Vincent, and I'm a Duke class of 2021 graduate, founder at MyTeaPal, a tea mobile application and subscription service. It's been 5 years since I last came to DKU, so it feels great to be back here. It's nice meeting with all the students who are passionate about entrepreneurship, answering their questions, sharing my experiences, and hopefully providing some insights for them so that they can build their own venture in the future.
I think DKU students have so much great ideas, and there's a lot of projects that they have already been doing at DKU, and also to create social impact. This is a great program to empower amazing entrepreneurs to pave their way to their impact and really be able to grow their ventures. So we're really excited how this conversation is able to happen at DKU.